Okay, so this looks like a 1920s truck. We're at the World's Fair. Nice. Check out those nice wire rim wheels. It's locked up, darn it. Hardcore. It says it can go up to 90 miles an hour. And it's hooked. It's hooked to a power pulley. A circular saw, it says. Can run this saw off the truck. That's ingenuity. You just hook up your truck to this and you can cut lumber. Awesome. We like it. I like the truck especially. It's a nice day today. Clouds. A little cloudy, but it might not rain. Anyhow, kind of a cool contraption. We like it.